Just to see the sun with every possibility. You're making all of me undone. Not so sure yet, but I think that I might melt into your body as you sway on the back.
Ang tingin ko sa kanya noon parang anghel na nalaglag sa lupa. Alam mo yun, ganun yung ano ko sa kanya kasi nga mabait siya, ganyan. Kaya yun, sobrang saya ko nung sinagot niya ako.
You don't notice. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see. I did about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope short, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending.
Lord, sana pagtama na ang panahon, ibigay mo sa akin yung taong mamahalin ko at mamahalin din ako. That was my only prayer, to love and be loved in return. But to be standing here today in front of a man whose heart is kind and soul is good, that I'm sure is God's grace to me.
I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. 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 Fingerprints still on your skin. Backseat taxi sinking in. Eyes
Hindi naging madali ang mga unang taon ng relasyon natin. Dumating ako sa point na gusto kong iwan lahat ng search of happiness. Parang gusto ko na lang mag-isa. Pero every time na lumalayo ako, every time na umaalis akong mag-isa, ilang oras pa lang, actually ilang minuto pa lang hinahanap na kita kasi namimiss na kita. Doon ko na-realize na ikaw pala yung ultimate happiness na hinahanap ng puso ko.
Made too much for only me.
Rivaldo! Kala ko ano lang. Oo, siya na yung apelido niya to. Hi, Bebe. Sana maging masaya ka sa simple gift. Alam ko naman na matagal mo ng pangarap na maging Frivaldo. Ilang oras na lang matutupad na.
Hi B, sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Sana ma-surprise ka. Yun, meron akong gagamitin, no? Sakto sa, parang ano ito eh, lagi oras-oras ko na rin siyang kasama. So meron ako.
Alam ko sa puso ko na ikaw yung tao sa likod ng mga panalangin ko. Thank you, Dave, for loving me unconditionally. I grew up na hindi masyadong pinapansin ng mga tao. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal mo, I learned to love myself and to appreciate what I have. Dave, you witness and you always tell me how God has blessed me in so many ways. But I want you to know that you are my greatest blessing. I may not tell you this often, but I'm really blessed na ikaw yung taong nasa harap ko ngayon. And I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and all of it is mine.